Hey lovelies, welcome to my dream desk setup. I have this dream desk in my mind for so many years now, and it's finally going to happen. And this is going to be my first desk ever. So I mentioned that I want a dream desk, but I didn't share with you guys like what is my dream desk. Basically, my dream desk inspiration or like a mood board is basically a white desk or like a off-white beige kind of colored desk. That's my liking, and I exactly got that on Amazon. I'm really happy about it. The one behind me is the desk package. I'm going to unbox this right now and I'm so excited. But before that, let me show you how I'm like working these days without even a desk. I have been working with this setup for past 1 week because the desk took 1 week to reach my place. So this is like a floor setup, nothing much. Sometimes I really like working sitting on the floor with my laptop, but now I just did like a PC setup on the floor itself. This is the laptop table that I got from Amazon. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out. So I simply had my monitor, keyboard and mouse and my desk clock, and that's it. It's like a simple setup, but of course it's like a temporary setup. I don't know if I can be productive for a long period of time like working on the floor, but it's quite simple and did the job for me for the past 1 week. Now let's unbox our desk. Guys, this is the desk. I love it, guys. Exactly the way that I picturized, like the color basically, and also it matches off with the wall color of this room, so it's perfect. And now we are going to like set up with the PC, so I'm so excited. Let's go.
My grid sometimes, I migrate sometimes. All my friends are saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, I know if you care.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, it's few days later. I'm done with my desk setup. Like the way it is right now. You guys must have seen the unboxing, so I will leave the link in the description box below. It's a really good table. Of course, it's not like a wooden desk, but it's a engineered wood. It's good. And this is what my chair looks like. Just a normal plastic chair, nothing much. And here in this planner box, I have my Mac Mini, which is like a CPU of Apple. I already did like a Mac Mini unboxing video. I will leave the link on the screen and also in the description box. You can check it out. If I want to say in like one word, it's a silent beast. Because earlier I used Windows. In that the CPU would give like noise and everything, but it's very silent. But then its performance is so good, so fast and so efficient. I just love it. Best investment ever. As you can see, my desk will be so minimal and functional for me, so I didn't want to clutter it with so many things, books and everything. So that's why I arranged my books on the left hand side with use of a bookshelf and so on. I want my desk to be simple, minimal and function. That's the vibe we are going for. So I have this keyboard and mouse. So this is like kind of like a new mouse for me by Zebronics. Like most of the things that I have is like from Zebronics. It's a RGB, like RGB lights and the effect of it during night time. So that's why I have like a RGB mouse, and also I have a RGB keyboard which I use it interchangeably with this one. But the speed of this specific mouse is so incredible. And the one thing that I really like is the scrolling speed. It's so smooth, and also it contains this button in which you can like control the speed of the mouse. So you can make your mouse so fast or slow, whatever your preference is. So I really like it. I will make sure to link all the things that I mentioned in today's video in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Then this is like a wireless keyboard that I got in order to make my desk like clutter free, and this is from Logitech. I got everything individually and then made like a DIY PC setup. This is the USB hub, like USB port extension, because Mac Mini only has like 2 USB ports, which is definitely not sufficient. So I got this USB extension, and it has many ports, but I only use 3. One is for my mouse, one is for keyboard, and one is for my hard disk. And this is the planner box that I got from 2021 Archetype Planner, I believe. And I really like this quote: always remember the real magic is within you. That's why I thought of reusing it to safely have my Mac Mini inside it. And here is a water sipper, which kind of helps me to drink more water in a cute way. And I have this coaster that I got in the planner bundle of Ink Bucket 2022 plans. Okay, next up I have my iPhone and then a speaker. Actually, the default speakers in Mac Mini itself is quite good, like for my editing, but for like entertainment purpose, like to watch K-dramas, the sound is quite low. I purchased this back when I had my online classes, so yeah, it's quite helpful now. Next up I have this digital clock, which is my most favorite. It helps me in so many ways, and the monitor is from LG, and it's a good monitor. Like, you can tilt the monitor, okay? You can tilt it in 3 different heights, so that's cool. So this is the tilt I'm talking about. See, let me quickly show you guys the speaker effect of the Mac Mini itself. Like, I will play this ambience music. See, the speaker in Mac Mini itself is quite good, and it is 19.5 inches, I believe. Now let's get the Mac Mini out of its home. So this is how the connection situation looks like. Oh my god, it looks stylish and terrific. It looks so classy. So first, this is like the power cable, and this is the HDMI cable to connect the monitor with the Mac Mini, and this is a headphone jack. You can use the headphones as well, or you can connect a speaker. So I used it to connect this MIDI speaker, and this white one is the USB hub. So that's it for the organization. So this is my desk setup looks like. I love the minimal functional vibes this desk setup gives me. Ever since I got this, it was really productive for me. This is the space I spend most of my time with. It's my happy place actually. And if you're interested for like a ASMR Mac Mini unboxing, I will leave that video on the screen right now. Do click and watch it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this desk setup, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me, and I shall see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.